here at Unique, especially in classics. Aero Coupe, 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Aero Coupe. And get this, original mile car at 18,931 on the odometer right now. Something else cool about this car, actually sold new. Newton, North Carolina, Dale Earnhardt Chevrolet with the whole NASCAR background. It's kind of cool. 5-liter high output underneath the hood. Original. Also numbers matching. Transmission, automatic with overdrive. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Take a look at the front fascia grille. As you can see, in nice shape up front. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can do that at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're watching on YouTube, as you can see, you're riding on these stock wheels. As you can see, white in color with the burgundy or maple interior. Bucket seats up front, of course, center console, shifter on the floor. Something I want to mention about this. So if you know anything about 80s GM paint, sometimes wasn't the greatest, would come off. It appears that they put a clear protective on the roof of it to keep it from, maybe discoloring, flaking away. Like I said, if you're familiar with 80s GM paint, you know what I'm talking about. So there is kind of just a line. Like I said, it looks like it's that clear, similar like a 3M front end protectant. Check out the still pictures. And something else, of course, we have an open door policy for inspectors. You want somebody to come take a look at this car. If you can't make it yourself, not a problem. Have them come check it out. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. And there's the original dealer sticker on this. There's also the invoice that will have the dealer code on there that confirms that. You can see that in the still pictures. Owner's manual. Like I said, take a look at the still pictures. Some memorabilia in there and paperwork and that type of stuff too. So uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see that. Take a look down the driver's side. And interior. So cloth bucket seats, power windows. This also has a limited slip rear end. Tilt, cruise, AM, FM, of course your modern amenities, and you can see these seats are like new. The original floor mats are in the trunk. You've got the Monte Carlo SS floor mats in the car. You can see in the still pictures underneath those floor mats, carpeting, good shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up. First, take a peek at the miles though. 18,931 right there. AM, FM cassette with equalizer. Tack works. Radio does work also. Had that going. Dash, not cracked, discolored. Good shape. Tell it was stored indoors. Slip over the back seat here this front. Sounds pretty stock. I haven't really noticed any real modifications on it. Let me pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. Here we go, underside of the hood. Hood liner nice and clean. You can tell this car hasn't been driven in inclement weather. Take a look at the underside pictures. There it is. High output. 5-liter, 305. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Then we got an optimal battery. There's a battery disconnect here too. You stored it all. '87 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Aero Coupe. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades, financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. This is the Aero Coupe. Our air conditioning is working nicely today. This car is a smooth runner. Good power. Automatic on the center console. Radio's working good. Our gauges are working. Cruise control does work. Our volts are right in the middle at 13. Fuel gauge reading a quarter. Temperature almost a quarter of the gauge, still warming up. Oil pressure at about 45 pounds. Letting go of the wheel, stays nice and straight. Not getting any shakes or bounces. It's a smooth ride. Nice cloth bucket seats. Burgundy interior. Our wipers also work. Corner's good, doesn't lean much in the corner. The odometer reading 18,930 miles currently. Very low mile. 1987 Chevy Monte Carlo SS. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.